Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view and manage the subscriptions you have made on your Snapchat account. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the friends icon. Now, select the three-dot icon. After that, tap on the Manage Subscriptions and Notifications option. Here, you will see all the channels you have subscribed on Snapchat. You can manage all of the notifications and the subscriptions in this page. And that's it guys, this is how you can manage your subscriptions and notifications on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.